Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to Future Coders. Today in this video, we are going to be building this mini calendar project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's have a look at what exactly are we going to be building. So yeah, so this is the one which we are going to be building. It's just a mini calendar. It just displays the month name, the week name and the date and the year. As you can see, this looks cute, right? So this is just a mini calendar which we are going to be building. Yeah, if you haven't watched our previous videos, please make sure you watch those also. Those are completely beginner friendly JavaScript project videos. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, so please go ahead and smash that like button now, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's actually start building this project now. So here I have already created three files, and also I have linked our CSS file as well as our JavaScript file. So let's start working on this. So inside our HTML, we as usual we are going to have a container. Inside this container, we'll have a month div. Similarly, let's copy this three more times. Month div, day, date, and year. So each of these divs will be responsible for rendering month, date, and year. All right. Since we don't have any content, so let's start working on the JavaScript straight away. Yep. So let's get the DOM element first. So let's get the month document dot query selector, and the class name is month, right? So month. Let's copy this three more times. So month, day. Let's go to day, date, and year. All right. Now once we have the DOM element, so let's get the current date using our very old JavaScript date object. So new date. So we have the current date now. Once we have that, we need to get the current month, day, date, and full year, right? So for that, what we need is array of months and days. So the months are nothing but January to December, and days are Sunday to Friday, right? So I will tell you why these are required in a while. So yeah, so inside the month element, so we need to add an inner HTML. So inside inner HTML, we need to display the month, right? So using JavaScript date object low. So let's see what we can do. So month array. Inside this month array, we need to pass an index of the current month. So we can do that by using current date dot get month. All right. So what this does is current dot get month actually returns an index of the current month. So suppose if this is March, it's going to return 2. So index is 2 now. So inside months, what's the index 2? 0, 1, 2, March, right? So it's going to select that and add it to our HTML element. So yeah, similarly, day dot inner HTML days. So similarly, we need to do it with the days array. So days current date dot get day, not date, it's just day. All right, similarly it's going to return an index, and from that index we are going to pick the correct day from the array. So and for the date dot inner HTML, let's, you can directly call this to get current date dot get date. So by doing this, we will get the correct date. As you can see, 14. Yeah, March, it's Tuesday, and it's 14. All right, date year dot inner HTML. So current date dot get full year. Yeah, this will give us the year. All right, since we have all the content that is needed, so it's time to style it. So as usual, we'll just clear out the default margin and padding being applied by the browser. So margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing to border box. All right. For the body, we'll set the background color as this light grayish color. All right. and max width of 900 pixels, margin 0 auto, so that we center everything. And let's also add a padding 5 rem all around. All right, so now it's time to target the container itself, the entire container. Let's do that. For the container, I will set the background color as white. There we go. And let's also add the border radius to make the edges curved. Width is going to be 20 rem. Yeah, it's going to be very tiny. And again, margin 0 auto, so that it centers. And again, let's also add a box shadow, which I got from the internet. It's actually a very simple, subtle box shadow. As you can see, it looks nice, right? So yeah, now so in the container we have the month, date and year, so we need to target them individually. So yeah, here container dot, let's target the month first now. So the month is the one which is being displayed at the top. So for the month, I'm going to set the background color as orange red. Color of the text is going to be white. And let's set the padding of 0.5 rem all around. Yeah, there we have it. So 0.5 rem padding all around, text align to center, margin bottom of 1 rem. Yep. And let's increase the font size to 2 rem. Yeah, that looks better now. All right, now let's target, once the month is done, let's target the day now. So inside the container we have the day. So how are we going to display? So opacity, let's reduce the opacity of the day to 0.3 rem, sorry, 0.3. And text align as usual, center. And font size, let's reduce it to 1.2 rem. All right, now it is time for the date. Let's target date. That is going to be bigger, right? So for the date, again text align, center, and margin 1 rem to the top and bottom, and 0 rem to the left and right. Font size, let's make it big, 5 rem. Yep. And font weight to bold. Yeah, that looks better. Now the final thing that is left now is year, right? So current date dot year. So for the year, I will make the font size as 1.2 rem. Text align to center. Opacity, let's reduce it to 0.3. And padding bottom 1 rem. Yeah, this actually looks good now. Yeah, instead of adding text align to each and individual things, let's actually add it in the container. Yeah, then we can go ahead and remove from here and also from the month. Yeah, that's it. All right, guys. Yeah, there is our mini calendar. And if you're looking for the source code, you can head over to futurecodersweb.com. And there all you need to do is just scroll, and there you will see a mini calendar project. And this is actually a well written article. You can actually follow it and complete this project as well. And there you will find HTML code, JavaScript code, CSS code, and you can also download the entire source code by clicking on this download button. And the link to this website is in my description box below. Make sure you check it. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something from this video. If you haven't smashed that like button, please make sure you smash that. Don't leave without smashing that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to watch our other JavaScript project videos. You will just love it, and they are actually fun to build. So that's it for this video. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.